Today we're going to still solve equations with variables on both sides, but now we're going to match the picture. Pay attention to the x's on this side. Pay attention to if it has negatives in front of the variable, or even if it has negatives just like this. This goes with the numbers. So the first thing I want to do is count how many of boxes have an x. There is 3, so I want to write 3x. And then there's 4 positives, 1, 2, 3, 4, so I write plus 4 equals, there's 2 negative x's, and then 1 minus over here, which makes it minus 1. And now I'm still going to solve it. I want to bring my x this way, so plus 2x, and I'm going to take it over here. 3x plus 2x is 5x. And then I want to take this positive 4, make it negative 4. And what I do to one side, I still do to the other side. It is a negative 4. So in my calculator, negative 1 minus 4, and I get negative 5. So 5x equals 5. Remember, I want x by itself. So 5 divided by 5, x equals 1. All right, let's do another one. There is 2 x's, and they're positive, so 2x. There is 1 positive, so plus 1 equals with 1 positive x, so 1x, and then there's 3 positives, so positive or plus 3. Okay, I'm still going to move my x this way. The opposite of positive 1 is negative 1, and I'm going to move it this way. Okay, so 2 minus 1 is 1x, and then the opposite of positive 1 is negative 1, and I'm going to take it over here. So minus 1, 3, positive 3, minus 1 is 2. So I have 1x equals 2. I want x by itself. So x equals 2. Okay. In today's assignment, you're going to match some, and then you're going to solve some equations.